Hi everyone, my name is Karun Subramanian and welcome to my course Correlating Events with Transactions in Splunk. I am an IT operations expert and a Splunk certified architect. This course is about showing you the Splunk techniques you can use to group and correlate events. We will primarily focus on the transaction command and all its useful options. I believe in learning through examples. So I've included plenty of examples for you to fully grasp the concepts. I've sprinkled many Splunk tips throughout the course. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding and using the transaction command, creating and scheduling reports and dashboards using the transaction results, using rex command to extract fields that you can use in the transaction command, compare alternative commands such as stats and join. By the end of this course, you will know how to perform correlation in Splunk, a very important skill to have to make sense of your operational data. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic SPL and Splunk search interface. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn correlating events with the Correlating Events with the Transaction in Splunk course at Pluralsight.